Okay, I think it's ready. We're going to start. Okay. Good morning, everyone. How are you today? Fine? How are you today? Fine? Are you okay? What did you have breakfast? What time did you get up? At 10 o'clock. At 11 o'clock? Wow, that's too late. Okay. Okay. Asking questions about in past, for example, what time did you get up? It's in past tense, right? What did you do yesterday? Uh, what did you eat yesterday? What did you eat lunch yesterday? What did you eat? What did you drink last weekend? Those questions are in simple past. Simple past is very useful when we want to express situations in the past, but those situations have to be concluded. Okay? Those situations have to be finished. Started in the past and finished in the past. We use simple past tense when we have a definite situation in the past. Why definite? Because we know when it starts and when it finished. We know exactly when it started and when it finished. For example, I graduated from school long time ago. It's a concluded action. Okay. We are going to use this tense in this unit as we are continuing in grammar section, page 87. I'm going to explain again some forms of simple past tense: affirmative, negative, interrogative. Okay, so let's continue with this. I'm going to change the on screen. I will show you this simple past tense. Simple past tense, we have to be careful when our verb is regular or when it's irregular. Okay, so let's explain first what is the regular part. As I told you last class or previous classes, previous transmissions in Zoom, for example, I explained you that regular verbs, we have to use the it form, the ed, like we can see here: play, play it, play, play it, walk, walked, study, studied. Okay, regular, don't forget. In affirmative, we use subject plus base form and ed. I played football yesterday. Cualquiera de los sujetos. I, you, he, she, it, we, they. It depends. It's up to you. My mom played basketball yesterday. My father played football yesterday. Yesterday, last week, 2 months ago, last year. Todos esos adverbiales que se utilizan para expresar pasado, como por ejemplo yesterday. Yesterday we use in affirmative sentence in this case, in this example. Be careful with that, okay? Remember, ed form in regular verbs. Regular verbs, for example, in the negative form, we use subject and didn't plus base form. This is that you can see in red color is the kind of formula that we have, the structural formula that we have when we want to structure sentences in negative form. Now we have here in blue color is the formation of affirmative sentences. The subject, of course, and the verb in ed. Regular and in irregular we have the formation make, made, ring, rung, go, went. Aquí ya no se coloca ed, sino uno debe memorizar los verbos make, made. Su pasado de hacer, hizo, es made. The ring, llamar, tocar, rung. The go, ir. Su pasado es went. Fui, depende del sujeto, ¿no? Fue, fueron, etc. Example. Are you, he, she, it, we, you, they? Cualquiera de los sujetos. I went to the cinema. She went to the cinema. Cualquier sujeto. Simple went. Rang or made according to the context, okay? I went to the cinema, I went to the dentist, I went to the museum, I went to the marketplace, I went shopping. We went to the museum, we went to the restaurant, etc., etc. So this is the difference, please, between regular and irregular. Never, never, never forget that. Now, using these two types of regular and irregular verbs in past, we form negative sentences. In the example we have, the first one is a regular one. I didn't play football yesterday. This is in negative, please. What is happening here? We don't use ed anymore. Didn't play. Ya no dice didn't play it. Didn't play. Irregular verbs. Are you, he, she, it, we, you, they. Didn't. Go. Ya no went. Vuelve a su estado normal. That's why it says in the formula negative subject plus didn't, negative, plus base form. Base form means the verb without any modification, without any ending. Okay? Play. Go. Doesn't matter if it's regular or irregular. Interrogative form. In interrogative form, in green color, we express yes, no question. The formula is in red one, is in green one. Sorry. Did plus subject plus base form again, like negative. And we explain. Regular example. Did you, did she, did they, any of them? Did you play football yesterday? Don't forget the question mark at the end. Did you play football yesterday? Second example with irregular. Did you go to the cinema last night? Base form. No may, no went, no played. Simplemente base form. Okay. Never forget that. Be careful with this rule. A very important rule. Okay. Now, after yes no questions, we have double-edged questions. Interrogative. ¿Qué son los double-edged questions? Son aquellos que se utilizan what, where, when, why, who, which, etc. Double-edged word. After a double-edged word, we use the auxiliary in the past did, plus the subject, plus the base form again, and we read. Regular verbs. What did you? Cualquiera de los sujetos. What did you? What did you? Base form, play. Then we have yesterday. and the answer. Example, I will read again. Read in your computer, read in your cell phone. What did you, o what did she, cualquiera de los dos, cualquiera de los 6 que están acá. What did you play yesterday? Respuesta, football. What did you play yesterday? Basketball. What did you do? What did you play yesterday? Tennis. What did you play yesterday? Baseball, etc., etc. But this is in past form, okay? What about irregular verbs? Irregular verbs. In this case, where. ¿Qué es where? Exacto. Participen por favor en el chat. ¿Qué es where? Voy a leer todos los comentarios al final de clase. Ok. Where, ¿dónde? Where did you? Where did she? Where did they? Cualquiera de los sujetos, pero siempre did. Base form, según la fórmula. What did you do? Where did you go last night? Where did you go? Ya no es go, ya nos went, simplemente base form, go. Where did you go yesterday or last night? Respuesta, answer, to the cinema. La diferencia entre un yes no question y un WH question es que el yes no question simplemente se responde yes, no. Yes I did, no I didn't. En cambio, el WH question siempre tendrá una respuesta donde se pide información. In English we say when we require information, WH question or information questions we say. So we ask information and we answer certain information. When we say where, for example, it refers to a place. So we answer with a place. Si respondemos con where, que es donde, obvio que nuestra respuesta va a ser un lugar. Al cine. Esa es la diferencia entonces entre el yes no question and the WH question or information question. Now we have a previous activity. Let's go to the book. To the book we have, in the book we have the activity, page 87, and we have to complete number 5. Last class we did instruction 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we continue with 5. Match the sentences and questions. What we are going to do? We are going to complete number 1, the answers with the previous questions. So, I'm going to do 1. This is my new phone. This is the answer. Now we have to find the correct question. Did he spend it on clothes? I don't think this is the answer. 2. Did he forget to set the alarm? I don't think so. Did you buy it yesterday? Did you go on vacation? Did you like it? This is my new phone. Did you like it? I think that the answer is 1E. Next, number 6. Next activity is 6, change. ¿Qué significa change? Yes, change, cambia. Change the sentences to affirmative. A positive sign, negative, a negative sign, or interrogative. Use the verb list on page 168. Yes, if you forget, so you have to go to page 168 to see what is the meaning of went, what is the meaning of find, what is the meaning of I don't know, cook, work, etc. And there we can find of course the meanings of that. So what we're going to do in number 1, Sheila went to drama class this morning. You have to convert, you have to change into, according to this, in negative. So you complete. Sheila didn't, base form, no? Sheila didn't, ¿de dónde viene el went? Viene de go. Sheila didn't go to drama class this morning. That's the way to answer this exercise. Okay? So if you don't have more questions, I think we are going to finish this. Okay? So remember, today we saw the difference between affirmative, negative, and interrogative forms in simple past tense. Simple past tense we use in concluded actions, in completed actions, in actions when we know when it started and when it finished. Okay? It's a definite past. Simple past tense we use in those types of situations. Okay? If you don't have more questions, so we are going to conclude the session of today. Don't forget to thumbs up my class, dear students. We are going to see the next activity next week. Okay? Goodbye. Take care.